If you've ever had a noisy website interrupt your workflow, this quick tutorial is going to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute tabs in Microsoft Edge in just a few seconds. This is a super simple trick, but it can make a huge difference if you're watching videos, listening to music, or opening websites that autoplay sound when you least expect it. And if you enjoy fast and practical tech tips like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. To mute a tab in Microsoft Edge, first go to the tab that's playing sound or the tab you want to silence. You'll usually notice a small speaker icon on the tab if audio is active. Once you've found the tab, right-click directly on the tab at the top of the browser. A menu will appear with different options. From that menu, simply select Mute Tab. As soon as you click it, the sound from that tab will stop playing. The tab can still stay open and the web page will continue loading or working normally, but the audio will be silenced. This is perfect when you want to keep the page open without hearing any sound. If you ever want the sound back, just right-click the same tab again and choose Unmute Tab. That instantly restores audio for that page, so it works both ways and it's very easy to switch whenever you need. This is especially useful if you multitask a lot, keep several tabs open, or often get surprised by autoplay videos. Instead of closing the page or hunting through settings, you can manage the sound right from the tab itself. It's one of the fastest browser shortcuts for controlling noisy tabs in Edge. So to recap, right-click the tab and select Mute Tab. That's all it takes. Quick, simple, and effective. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Edge tips, browser tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.